Funxies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm finally gonna make this handmade room decor. It's very easy and super creative. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, I've taken this cutout and I'll just cut this using my scissors. Once I'm done doing that, now I'll take newspaper and I'll crush it, and then I'll start applying some white glue over here, and then I'll start applying the newspaper as well. So I'll just keep on applying some layers until I get a good amount of thickness over here. Then on the other side, I'll repeat the same thing so that I get a 3D shape. Once I'm done doing that, I'll take my tissue paper and I'll start cutting it into thin stripes. Once I'm done doing that, I'll again use a coat of white glue and start applying this tissue paper onto the newspaper coating. So this will give a smooth base to work on, and this will look more nice and decent. So once it is how this looks, now what I'll do is that I'll take this cutout out of white cardboard, and then I'll just slightly cut these pieces for the feathers. So these are all the cutouts which I'll be needing. Then I'll put some white glue over here and then start sticking it. So I'll just keep on applying the layers. So once I'm done doing that, I'll just cut it out and cut the edges properly. Now I'll stick it on each of the sides. Now let's put some white color over here. Now what I'll do is that I'll take these white papers and I'll cut them out. Now I'll slightly make cuts over here as well, just to give that feathery look. Now I'll start sticking this on top of the tail. I'll do the same thing on the other side as well, guys. You can use ready-made feathers as well, but over here I'm showing you how to make this at your home using the best out of waste materials. So once that is done, I'll take these cutouts out of brown cardboard and then I'll fold it into tissue paper, and this is how it will look. Now I'll stick it on the places I need it to be. Now I'll take this wire, craft wire, and I'll start covering it with newspaper or tissue paper. And then this will be the feet. I'll stick it over here and put it inside the dot. Put it inside the bird. Now I'll start painting my bird. So I'm using acrylic paints over here. You can use fabric paints instead. So I'll be using lots of colors over here, different shades, to just paint this, and you can use your colors as well.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season.
Now I'll use some bright red colors over here,
Into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, I know
and then I'll highlight it.
wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. Feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy. I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down.
Now I'll make the eyes, and then let's start painting the tail.
I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive.
Now I'll use my Sharpie and I'll start highlighting it.
You give me a second. I'm slow, got blurry vision.
Then I'll stick this bird onto the base, and ta-da! So this golden piece make it look more beautiful and creative. So this is the way you can decorate your house if you are a bird fans, because I, to be honest, love different kinds of birds. So this is it. If you guys like this video, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.
See the things that I am, I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not here